Nature Wellness Massage and Spa, a unique quality massage experience through the compassionate hands of experts. When you have been working all day long, bombarded with massive loads of work and meeting crazy deadlines, surely you will end up stressed and exhausted. Well, Nature Wellness Massage and Spa is the perfect place for you. A highly recommended venue to relax, unwind, and revitalize. Stress, headache, anxiety, toxins, pain, and muscle aches. Nature Wellness Massage and Spa will make all this go away. Definitely a must try. Once you try it, you will love it. True enough to say, you don't only get a great experience from the therapeutic hands of our massage therapists, but the ambience that makes you feel home. For reservation and inquiries, visit us at 2nd floor Augusto Building, Soong, Mactan, Lapu-lapu City, Cebu.